Hello everybody. Well, it's a nice sunny day. It's going to be sunny tomorrow, so today is the day we steam clean. Gonna hit this thing outside, and then I should be able to tell everywhere it's going to leak. But I'm just going to assume everywhere, so. But she's pretty grubby at the moment. I may tear this apart before I start. But yeah, should look a lot different when we get done here. So, the magic of video editing, and boom, just like that, she's clean. You know, it didn't leak very much at all on the inside, really. I mean, it came out pretty good. Look at her shine, look at her shine. So, you know, I'm gonna pull all the windows out and reseal them, so I didn't hit the windows really hard because I'm gonna wash those when they come out. But it actually took a lot of that black grub off. It's not looking too bad. I got the rotted cargo box off of the back. Look at that, it looks shiny. And I'm not cheating, it's actually dry. Got the cargo box off the back. I left the bracket there because I may use part of that structure to hang a toolbox off the back. But I got all the green, slimy, black, and grossness off of it. And it's not too shabby. Nothing flew off. Nothing fell apart. But yeah, so that's where we are. That was our progress for the day.